everyone. Welcome to you all in today's class of English. Today we will start Unit 10, A Boy Who Hated Vegetables. So open your textbook and open page number 84. Unit 10, A Boy Who Hated Vegetables. Activity 1. In this activity, you can see this picture of a boy and he has a plate in his hand full of cold drink, burgers and french fries. A. What do you see in this picture? So right here, I see a boy with a burger, cold drink and french fries in a plate in this picture. What is your favorite dish? आपकी फेवरेट डिश क्या है ये आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है. So my favorite dish is ढोकला. That is my favorite dish. Here you have to write the name of your favorite dish. B. Identify the following vegetables and fruits. Here some pictures of vegetables and fruits are given. So you have to identify it and write its name. What is this? This is a vegetable. It says, I am a vegetable. I am long and purple. It is brinjal. Right here, brinjal. This one says, I am a pointed and green in color. Children like to eat me. My name is related to the finger of the woman. So it is lady's finger. LADY''S ladies, FINGER finger, lady's finger. Then this one says, I can be red or green. I get grown on a vine. I am dried to make raisins or squeezed to help make wine. So these are grapes. GRAPES, grapes. Right here, grapes. Next one. Can you imagine which picture is this? You must like it. This one says, I can be fried, boiled and mashed, roasted and baked, scalloped and hashed. You can use this vegetable with all the vegetables. This is potato. Right here, POTATO, potato. This one, this is the picture of what? It says, my body is round and big. I am red inside and have seeds. I wear a green jacket. I grow on ground and don't climb on tree. You eat me in the summer and even drink my juice. This is watermelon. Right here, WATER, water, MELON, melon, watermelon. Then, mostly people like to eat this in salad. It says, I have many layers, but I am not someone wearing winter clothes. I can be red, white or yellow, but I am not a rose. I can be made into rings, but I am not gold. I can be peeled, but I am not a banana. I am a bulb, but I don't shine. I can make you cry, but I am not a sad story. So what is this? Onion. Right here, ONION, onion. Now let's move to the next page on page number 85. This one says, I am a fruit that is red. that's often used in a smoothie. I am bought in a punnet and made into jam and jelly. This is strawberry. 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 This is, what is this? I am red and have seeds, and I am also round. Slides up in salads is where I can be found. This is tomato. 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 Then this one. I am orange and long, and I come in a bunch. I can be in a cake or be eaten at lunch. And another one. Rabbits like to eat me when I grow in a field. This orange vegetable tastes best when it is peeled. What is this? Carrot. 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 So write the names of all these vegetables and fruits in your textbook. And you have to find some more riddles about some different vegetables and fruits and write it in your notebook. Have a nice day. Goodbye.